Welcome to GearGrinders, where we bring you the latest updates from the world of two-wheelers. Today, we're diving into an exciting new release, the 2025-125 4T SM-RS BLACKMOON. This motorcycle isn't just about performance, it's a statement of style, power, and agility. Let's break down what makes this machine a must-watch for enthusiasts. Aggressive design and blacked-out aesthetics. The BLACKMOON edition of the 125 4T SM-RS comes with a striking all-black finish that oozes aggression and sophistication. Its sharp bodywork, edgy graphics, and dark-themed elements give it a stealthy look, perfect for riders who want a machine that stands out while staying understated. The LED headlights and taillights not only enhance visibility but also add a modern touch to the bike's personality. Performance and engine specifications. Under the hood, the 125 4T SM-RS BLACKMOON is powered by a 125cc, 4-stroke, single-cylinder engine designed for both urban commuting and high-spirited rides. With refined fuel injection technology, this bike delivers a smooth yet responsive throttle experience. The liquid-cooled system ensures optimal engine temperature, making it ideal for long rides without performance dips. Whether you're navigating city traffic or hitting the backroads, this bike promises a thrilling ride. Precision handling and suspension. Supermoto enthusiasts will appreciate the lightweight chassis and well-tuned suspension setup. The upside-down front forks provide superior shock absorption, while the rear monoshock ensures stability in corners. The 17-inch wheels, wrapped in high-performance tires, offer excellent grip, making this bike a dream for riders who love precision control. Braking and safety features. Safety is a priority with the BLACKMOON edition. It comes equipped with dual-disc brakes and ABS technology, offering controlled stopping power even in slippery conditions. The lightweight frame and well-balanced weight distribution further enhance the overall ride quality, making sudden maneuvers feel effortless. Digital console and tech enhancements. The futuristic fully digital instrument cluster provides real-time data on speed, fuel levels, and gear positioning. Bluetooth connectivity allows riders to sync their devices for notifications on the go, ensuring a connected experience without distractions. Final thoughts. The 2025-125 4T SM-RS BLACKMOON is more than just a motorcycle, it's a blend of cutting-edge design, powerful performance, and innovative technology. Whether you're a beginner stepping into the supermoto world or a seasoned rider looking for a stylish yet capable machine, this bike delivers on all fronts. Stay tuned to GearGrinders for more in-depth reviews, comparisons, and all things two-wheeled. Ride safe and keep grinding.